That QR code on your table, poster, or receipt. It could be a funnel. One scan opens a WhatsApp conversation you own. This is Remarketly's QR commerce engine, explained in 2 minutes. A guest at Beach Club DXB scans the umbrella code at Sun24. In under a second, WhatsApp opens the right conversation and the business knows exactly which Sun fired it. The AI picks up instantly and the wholesale happens in the chat. Menu, order, tab, all tied to Sun24. The server knows where to go. The guest never installs an app. Under the hood, every scan follows the same pipeline. The scan carries its context into the chat becomes an order, and the revenue is attributed back to the exact surface that fired it. Setting one up takes 3 picks. Choose the surface, table, poster, ad, or receipt. Choose the destination, menu, booking, or support. Wait with the logo, then download it as PNG, SVG, or vector PDF. The codes are dynamic. Change the destination without reprinting, so a poster from 2024 can be rerouted in 2030. Mornings point to brunch, evenings to dinner, and Eid to the festive landing. A receipt is a surface too. Omar scans the code at the till, the receipt lands in WhatsApp, and his contact is saved forever. Scan in and receipt out, and the loop is closed. Every scanner becomes a customer record. Fatima's profile shows which code she scanned, what she ordered, and what she's worth over time. Scan rate, conversion, revenue, and lifetime value by individual QR or poster batch. The dashboard updates as the first scan lands. Live scan map, hourly counts, attributed revenue per surface. You finally see which QR earned its print cost and which never did. Codes are assigned per team. Front of house gets the table tents, marketing gets the campaign batch. No crossover. If a rare device blocks WhatsApp links, scanners land on a branded one-tap page that finishes the handoff. The engine holds up. Under 1 second from scan to first reply. 30+ surface templates ready to go. 98% scan to chat completion. And unlimited dynamic codes on every plan. Print your first QR by sunset. Honestly, it takes longer to choose the font than to set up the campaign. Start free at remarketly.io and follow for the next pillar.